So now we have uploaded our documents, sorted them into files, and created and applied our worksheets. The next step would be to further organize our documents by grouping them, perhaps creating new folders and subfolders, and then assigning the docs within the folders to particular project members for them to review. There are often situations where you receive a document dump where the documents aren't organized or they are organized but incorrect. Keras machine learning has been trained to group amendment documents with their corresponding master agreements by simply clicking a single button. When you go into the document list, at the top, click the Document Groups tab. This will open up a navigation pane on the right. Here, you simply select Suggest Groups. Depending on the number of documents, this may take a few minutes or several hours. Kira will identify various key data points such as title, parties, date, and the preamble or recital to identify amendment documents and group those documents with their appropriate parent. Once complete, you will see the list of suggested groups to the right. Click into each, where you can either accept the group as is, reject it as a whole, or edit before you accept. If we click Edit, you'll be taken to the Edit page. First, give the group a name. Hierarchy of documents is represented beginning with those that will be the furthest left of the page. That will be the parent document. Drag and drop the rest of the documents in the correct order, keeping in mind that each indent to the right represents that the doc is an amending document. Once complete, click Save and Accept. When we go back on the document groups, you will see that our new Source Corp group will now exist under the Existing Groups tab. Suppose we want to make a new subfolder for this document group. Knowing that the master is a credit agreement with the accompanying amendments, we can go to the Credit Agreements folder, and at the top, select Create Folder. Here, we can create a new subfolder, and we'll call it Source Corp, and then Create. Then when we go to the Source Corp group on the right, we can click Show, where it'll filter out for just the documents within that group. Here, we can select all, click Move, and within Credit Agreements, we can move them to the new Source Corp subfolder. Suppose we wanted only one member of the group or of the deal team to review all of the Source Corp documents. What we can do is, for the Source Corp subfolder, to the left we can check the box, click Assign, and then assign it to the deal team member that we wish to review it. You may notice that now that we have a document groups column, seeing that we have created new suggested and now existing document groups, the doc list page might seem a bit cluttered. You can always choose which columns are shown in the doc list at any given point by clicking the gear icon at the very far right. Here you can select or deselect any of the columns that you want to be shown in the doc list at any given time. In the next video, we will focus on the search bar and how we can search for documents that contain certain words, certain smart fields, tags, and more.